Everyone, hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and today on this video I wanted to share with you the honest truth about YouTube automation. So if you are someone who's actually thinking about starting your YouTube channel, this video will be helpful to you, as it will give you a lot of insights that not many people actually talk about. And so I'll be covering everything from A to Z, so you can actually make an informed decision if YouTube automation is a good business model for you, or if it's not a good business model. And also you also want to stick till the end, because at the end I'll also reveal to you a different and unique business model that I have started, and pretty much I'll share the strategy and the whole entire breakdown. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. So YouTube automation business I started back in 2016, right? And in the process I've invested in a lot of programs, right? So this is the two videos that I put out, but I have invested a lot of money into different programs, different mentoring, different coaching programs that's related to YouTube, just to know how actually the platform works and also the algorithm, because I want to be the best creator if I want to do YouTube automation. And I also at the same time I want to learn from the best people who actually getting the most amount of money from YouTube automation business. So if you can go to my channel, and then you'll see my results I post on a continuous basis, right? At the moment I'm focusing more attention and more focus on a different business model. That's why I've slowed down. But if you go back, I've always share my results. All my results and everything is on my channel. So what YouTube automation business is, you're pretty much going to be hiring a team, and a team will pretty much do everything for you. So that's going with a video editor, you will need a thumbnail designer, you need a voiceover, and you need a scriptwriter. So those are the 4 or 5 people that you actually need for them to build your channel and get you revenue on an ongoing continuous basis, right? So but the issue that I see with YouTube automation business is some of the things that you are not getting told, that to build a channel it takes a lot of time, and most of the time people are actually not that patient, right? So you'll hear that, or every time people say like you're gonna get rich quick. It doesn't work that way. If you purely just want to get rich quick with YouTube automation business, it actually takes a lot of time, takes a lot of effort for you to come up with the right team, and also to choose the right niche. Because if the niche that you have chosen, if that's a bad niche, you won't get any success on the platform. Like, even though you've been uploading for maybe 2 to 5 years, right? You'll never ever get any traction. So the team is the most important thing, and also you need a good niche. If you don't have a good niche, you will never get success on the platform, right? So but what most people, they don't understand, like something that happens in the back end, is one of my channel was actually terminated, deleted. I actually couldn't get access to that channel, and one of it happened just recently, right? So that's 2 channels that I've lost. I can't get access to that, and pretty much those channels I built for the past maybe 1.5 years, and I actually can't get access to that channel. So these are something that you actually don't know, that you, even if you build a business for like 5 years on YouTube, you actually don't know if you will even have a business maybe moving forward, like 5-10 years, if you want to go pursue YouTube automation business. And you're going to get a lot of copyrights, right? I've had channels taken down, and I also seen like a bigger channels, they having a lot of issues with copyrights. Their channels are getting terminated, and also at the same time their channels are like what we call like blacklisted. So they also shadow ban your channel, and you actually don't know, like, even though you go and reach out to YouTube, you actually don't know if they will resolve your issues, or you actually don't have anyone to chat to. So that's like really frustrating if you just purely concentrating on YouTube and getting to get YouTube business to provide for your family, to get your freedom. You need to think up again, because all these platforms that I see, like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and all these entire platforms, we actually don't have any control over. Like, the algorithm can change overnight, and so we have to actually adapt. And during that change phase, we actually don't know if we're going to even have a business moving forward. So those are the things that you need to keep in mind. And also, just to manage a channel, it takes a lot of time, takes a lot of effort to find the right team. And even if you gather the right team, you actually don't know if that team will actually stay with you moving forward, right? So it's always you're going to be chasing around your team. Your channel might get demonetized. You have to apply for that. And then if your channel also gets taken down, gets terminated, gets shadow banned, you have to reach out to people in the industry, like, who actually know about it. So there's a lot of back end thing that we need to consider if you just purely relying on YouTube automation business. But again, I built a YouTube channel. I know the actual algorithm, what it actually needs from creators for your video to get pushed out to bigger and wider audience, so your channel can grow, and then that way you can grow your income as well. But because I've been doing YouTube since 2016, I can pretty much start any channel, and within less than a month I can get the channel to blow out, right? Not many people can say that, but I have done on my channels. When I was doing it time and time again, I built a channel to, you can go see all the numbers. Like, I'm not making any numbers up, right? It's all real numbers in here, and that way you can see, like, whatever thing I'm telling you is correct. So that way you can make an informed decision. So why actually transition from YouTube, and also what I have been doing in the back end as well, I have been doing a different business model. And the reason for that is, on this platform you actually don't control anything, right? You purely don't have any control over anything. People normally come to your channel if you purely have your team creating the videos and everything. You don't have actually a personal brand. Like, it's not your brand, and people don't know you. So even if this channel gets shut down, taken out, your audience won't even miss you, right? So they'll go to some different channel. But if it's your own branded channel, that way people actually know you, they know your name. So that way if they search your name, like, you're going to be popping out, right? So the reason I'm moving out of YouTube is because I actually don't have any control over the business, right? So back in the days, I used to do drop shipping on platforms like eBay, Amazon. I also didn't have any control over that, and those business I actually lost it because of long shipping delays and like a lot of products getting lost in the transit. That's the reason I lost that business, and that's when I started YouTube and getting a lot of traction. It was like really great, but I actually didn't want to be in that position, like losing a channel, losing my income stream. So that's why I started doing a transition, and now the business model that I'm doing is purely, I'm actually just building my email list and purely just doing email marketing, right? I'm just sending out email, and through that email I'm actually getting paid, right? So I don't have to deal with any team. I don't have to deal with my channels getting shut down and everything, because now I have got a list of people who actually looking for opportunities, and I actually know how to get those people in my list, right? The method, the strategy that I have come up with is like working really great. And I believe anyone out there who's looking to start a online business, I believe, and you even don't have to, you don't need to invest a lot of money, because I know there's a lot of programs out there selling for like $10,000-$15,000, right? You can pretty much get started for very little money, and within a very short amount of time you can start generating great cash flow for you and for your family. So that way you can have more freedom, have more free time with your kids, more family, and then you can even quit your job, right? So that's what actually I did. now I'm spending more quality time with my family, my kids, and be able to travel the world and do the things that I love to do. And I'd like to give this opportunity to you for you to see that you don't even need to spend a lot of money on buying programs, buying course, and at the end of the day you're not going to get much help and support. So the business model that I'm talking about is this one here, right? So all in one business model, and pretty much you can get started for as little as $25, guys, and it's going to teach you like step by step how you can start generating cash flow within 24 hours, right? That's what happened to me when I set up. I followed all the method, the strategy that I tell you, and 5 days a week they do mastermind calls, right? You can see how much bonus that they're actually giving out, commissions, and there's a lot of support that I haven't even seen anywhere. I've been in the online space since 2016, 2015. I haven't got this amount of support anywhere until this day, right? So in-depth training, they don't teach you just how you can actually build your online business, but they also teach you how to improve your mindset, because if your mindset is wrong, no matter what business you do, you're not gonna get success, right? So there's a lot of bonus that comes with this business model, right? So you can see there's pages after pages on the same page. You can see how much bonus you're actually going to get. And also what actually got my attention was like this thing here, right? This company also helps out kids, feeds the hunger kids all around the world. So you know that you're doing something good just by starting an online business. So very, very awesome company, very generous company, and these are the people that actually getting real success on the platform, right? This is some of the people, but our community is huge. And so here's the thing that you actually going to get once you looking to get in and start your own online business. Even though you don't have any business experience, online business experience, I believe anyone can do this business. We have people in the community that are like 75, 80 years old. They're doing this business and they're crushing it, right? So what are the things that you're actually going to get if you invest in, if you want to get started with this online business? I normally tell people the bonus that you're gonna get is I actually help you step by step, right? So I actually build everything for you. Whatever is needed, I will provide it for you, and that way once you get in, you actually know how you're going to get success, right? There's not going to be testing and trialing on your own. I'm giving you the exact strategy which has helped me. Within the last 7 days or less, I made nearly $2,000 from this program, right? And the exact strategy I will provide you. And the strategy is, I have got a funnel, right? I've got a custom funnel built, and the method that I'm using is I'm just purely doing solo ads, right? So you probably heard about solo ads. What solo ad is, we're sending clicks to our opt-in page, and once someone opts in our page, their email gets directed on our autoresponder, and that's when they automatically start sending emails, right? Which is all going to be done automatically. So the sales will start coming even if you're sleeping. How awesome is that? Which is like really good. And the person that I'm using is Gionte, right? Very, very awesome traffic that he has, and I highly recommend you to, even if you want to just get traffic, just get in touch with him. I'll put a link in the description, and then tell him that Sanjeev sent you, and then he'll look after you. He'll give you a good rate, and any issues you have, you can just reach out to me. So that way, even if you want to get on a call with him, we'll also get on a call with this just to help you out. So going by what I was saying, so this is only method that I'm using, but you can purely do free method as well if you want. So once you get in, you just want to do free method, that can actually work as well. But the method that's actually working really well for me is just doing purely email marketing. So I believe anyone can get success, even though if you have been trying online for years, haven't got that success. I highly recommend you to check this out. Reach out to me via Facebook. I'm here to help you, support you, guide you every single step of the way. And I'll give you the exact strategy what I'm using, what are the pages that I'm using that's converting to about 70 to 80%, guys, like, which is unheard of, right? I'm going to give you that page. So when you start sending traffic, we'll also set up your backend autoresponders. We'll also send you this, set you up with the tracking software, so you can track all the datas, all the clicks that's coming on your page, and you'll see how much people are actually opting to your actual page. So that way you can track everything from A to Z. So that way you don't just don't be stuck and left in the dark, right? So I'll leave the link in the description, you can check it out. And so that way, if you have any question, put in the comment section below. And like, again, I'm here to help and support you every single step of the way. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and until next time, my God bless you all, and bye for now.